Hey fellow developers, hi. So this is a submission for the Venom Hackathon, and we created a CLI tool for helping all the developers who will be looking forward towards building things with Venom. So yeah, it's a published package on npm, and you can use it right off the bat. Just install it globally, and or you can just like use it as a npx and just run it the thing, and like let's see how what it does. So we also created some documentations around it. Like it has a few functions like create wallet, create a front end. So it creates a next.js repo for you with all the inbuilt stuff, and yeah, let's see what it will look like. So let me show you. So you can just write npx venom advanced cli, and let's try create front end, and yeah, that's all. So once it's done, it asks which framework do you want to use. We say Venom, and we go my app is the first thing name. And once it's done, you can uh, log into it, and let's try coding into it. So it has created it has created a next project for you, and now you can just go and install the packages. Just run yarn and yarn dev or whatever package manager you use. So this is one cool thing about the thing. Like we create the front end for you, and there are more functions. Let's try more functions until this gets done. So let's try npx venom advanced cli track. So you can track addresses as well as transaction hashes on venom devnet. So basically you'll need a particular address. So venom created a particular devnet just for the hackathon. We'll use that. So on devnet, that's the endpoint, that's the graphql endpoint, and if you have a custom rpc you can try that as well. So we'll put in address, and I put in my address, and it showcases all the info it has. We will make it more prettier in the coming up version so that it is much more readable. But you can see like we have some balance, we have some last paid, we even have transaction hashes and stuff like that. So yeah, let's try this hash, and let's try the uh, let's try, did I copy it? Yeah, I did copy it. So let's try pushing that npx. Let's try tracking that transaction. So venom advanced, will I guess think of a shorter name, so that it is much more easier to use. But yeah, like we wanted to give a name which is like simple to understand as well. So devnet, and let's try transaction, and I put in a transaction hash, and sorry, I just put removed the last thing. Let's try it again. Devnet transaction and 79. So if you put in a transaction hash, it finds it on the chain, and you can see whatever number, what was the time of the transaction, what was the balance delta, and stuff like that. The next cool features would be to um, like make it much more human readable, add much more frameworks and stuff like that. So yeah, that's about it. Let's see, our front end is ready. So the front end looks very cool. I'll just show it up for you. So we have a venom next framework, and we have a simple boilerplate where you can connect your wallet and get stuff done. So once you click on connect wallet, you can just click on the extension, and yeah, once connected it showcases this. It says this active network is wrong because I'm currently on the venom devnet hackathon, the devnet. Let's move to testnet, and let's try it again. So if I connect now, it showcases my thing. It even fetches your balance. You can have all the things. So this is something very much needed for any developer to get started with the front end. And yeah, we have a venom boilerplate for it, and all of it is open sourced. So this is our this is our particular three repos, which is one of them is venom cli, another of them is where the entire cli code lies. Then this is the venom next particular thing, which is just the next boilerplate, and the one with this is the React one. The one with we are bundling it with Wheat. So yeah, so at the end you can also have it create some private keys for you as well. So Venom Advanced CLI and create. So if I create, it will create a wallet for me. It will give the things, and if you ask it to save it, it will give you the file name. Let's give it something, and it stored it. So it has stored it in the this particular directory wherever this is. So yeah, this way we have few functions in here. I'll showcase what functions we have till now, and we soon want to add interacting with the network itself. One of the functions which we wanted to add but were not able to add was like you can interact with the smart contracts if you put in the ABI and the contract address right from your CLI, and that would help out a lot for like developing very quickly. But we are happy that we made so much progress in this thing, and yeah, that's about it. This is our entry for the Venom Hackathon, and yeah, glad you like, hopefully you like the project. Thank you.